Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
DRDO signs MoU with IIT Delhi to develop lightweight bulletproof jackets. The jackets feature front and rear armors that provide comprehensive 360-degree protection, as stated by the Defense Ministry on Wednesday. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Delhi, has announced the development of lightweight bulletproof jackets, named ABED, Advanced Ballistics for High Energy Defeat, which meet the highest threat levels. The jackets feature front and rear armors that provide comprehensive 360-degree protection, as stated by the Defense Ministry on Wednesday. Developed at the DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence, DRCOI, at IIT Delhi, the jackets are now ready for technology transfer to 3 shortlisted Indian industries. The initiative aims to bolster domestic production capabilities in defense equipment. With a minimum possible weight of 8.2 kilograms and 9.5 kilograms for different BIS levels, these modular design jackets have front and rear armors that provide 360-degree protection, the ministry noted. Made from polymers and indigenous boron carbide ceramic material, the jackets are designed to offer enhanced safety without compromising on mobility. The jacket's design is the result of rigorous characterization of materials at high strain rates, followed by advanced modeling and simulation in collaboration with the DRDO. The armor plates for the jackets have passed all necessary R&D trials as per the protocols. The jackets meet the highest threat levels and are lighter than the maximum weight limits stipulated in the respective General Staff qualitative requirement of the Indian Army, the statement added. Samir V. Kamath, Secretary of the Department of Defense R&D and Chairman of DRDO, expressed his congratulations to DRCOI, stating, "The lightweight bulletproof jacket exemplifies the effective ecosystem of successful defense R&D by the DRDO, academia, and the industry." The DRCOI was established by modifying the Joint Advanced Technology Center of the DRDO at IIT Delhi in 2022, aiming to enhance collaboration among industry, academia, and defense research. The center has been actively pursuing various advanced technology projects involving DRDO scientists, academic researchers, and industry partners to support India's defense needs. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.